Hey, this is D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. This channel is for the writers, from a writer's perspective. I've written 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. Please like this video to push my algorithms up so others can get this video. So in this video, we're going to talk about characters. We write a story. Is full of characters. Now, the most important character is your main character, your protagonist. Now, your main character, one mistake that writers make, they put a main character in a story, but we don't identify with that character, meaning that we don't know anything about them. We don't know their personality. They're just a person in the story that we follow, and that's not good. When you're writing a story and your main character, you want to make your main character relatable to your reader. And the way to make your main character relatable to the reader is being able to write it where we understand the character. We know where the character came from. We know what the character has dealt with, and that can happen between the dialogue between him or her and the other characters about where he came from. So, for instance, you have a character that served time in prison. We need to know that, but we may get to know that through him talking to his mom. He may say something like, those 4 years I did in prison was pretty harsh. I mean, and at least the reader would know that, okay, so this guy's been in prison, and that is why he do the things that he do, because he's been incarcerated for 4 years, and that's why he don't understand the technology, certain things that has changed since he's been in there. But it's very important that you give your audience, your reader, that visual, and let them understand that, okay, the guy that I'm following here has dealt with incarceration, so he probably, dealt with a lot of things in prison and things like that. And so once your reader understands that, it will make it a little bit more interesting story going forward, whatever this character do, because we know his past. And when you know his past, and and he's kind of, giving you a history, you don't have to write it down. Oh, this is Jeff. He's been in prison. So you have to do it through the dialogue, through the story, by finding clever ways to plant those seeds about your character's past. So my question to you is, who is your main character, and what do we know about your main character? And is it what we know about your main character? Is it making it relevant to your story? I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page.